All right, we are here in Newport, Tennessee. I have an 8x24 American Dream made with original panels. It is so cute on the inside. I feel like this is one of the most perfect little charming, got all the charm of the gable roof. Look at the galvanized roofing. It's got a picture window that I'll show you, but lots of charm on this and a great price. So this also will come with the mountain lot across the street. The mountain lot number is number 21, and that number, or that is actually near the top of the mountains from what I hear. I'm not gonna go down there, it's muddy, but look at that picture window. Love the gable roof. I think this price, I love the American Dream. I think they sold a bunch of them because that was such a good deal. And the layout, you're gonna love it inside. Very accessible for everything that you need. These are the original panels. Once you paint, you don't notice the screws and all that. I had this kind of a home in the forest, and once you paint, especially if you painted a darker color, the rivets and the screws go away. So let's go around here. That is your loft inside, double loft. So you have plenty of room to sit up there, sleep up there, whatever you want to do. Lots of windows. Of course, the picture window in the back. Air exchanger in there, a mini split, 8x24. Again, you can move it or it can go across the street to a lot. So let's go in and see what we can find. Let's go in. I'm gonna pan for a minute just so you can see the layout. I'm coming in the side door. There's your mini split. Mr. Cool. Beautiful windows. Look how beautiful, how that just opens up the space with that. And this I would definitely put in, I would have a cushion made for that, and pillows. Wouldn't that be a great spot to be hanging out on a rainy day, reading a book? These are the original panels. I had this type of home, not this model, but I had the panels. And I know it looks like a lot of screws and rivets now, but when you get done with decorating it, no one's ever gonna see any of this. I had used fake brick. I used a fake brick panel. I used a fake tile panel in my kitchen. You didn't see any of this. So there's ways to decorate and get rid of the screws if that bothers you. Just painting them alone makes them disappear a lot as well. So we're looking, I'm standing at this picture window, and you can see the length, 8x24. I'm not on the actual picture window, but I am standing at the front of it. And I love the steps. This, I'm not a step girl, but these steps are accessible for me. So, you know, these are the ones that you pull out the bottom two. And let me see if I can do it without falling. And they go back in. Let's see here. Yeah, I'll try to do it one-handed. So those go out of the way. So you don't have the space from here out. So, you know, lots of room. I think that's so genius to have that. Randy did a good job on that one. I like the way he did that. Probably if it were me, I would be doing a stair railing here, only because of safety. But let's just go ahead and go up the stairs since we're looking at the steps. And the steps are 7.5-inch rise, perfect to get up and down. It's like in any home you would find that size of rise. And here is the loft. You can put a king up here if you want. It'd be all bed, but you can definitely put a any size you would like. You can put those little chairs that don't have legs, you know, like gamer chairs maybe even, and have your TV up here if you'd like. On this part, I would either do, for safety, do some kind of barrier, maybe built-in bookshelves. You could even make this where you put your TV, and you know, I mean, there's just all kinds of cool ways to make this loft work for you. If you wanted to use it as your extra room, your craft room, and I'll have to get a picture. Let me just go. So you go up, let me just do this. You go up, and then you get to take the last step is quite a bit higher, so you can actually sit, and I'm sitting now. So I can just roll over into my bed now. And then here is the view from upstairs. This really is an affordable home. It has charm for a tiny home. I just really like the American dream. I think if I was in the market to come here, this would probably be the best deal for me. I would get this one because I loved my 12 by 20, but it's no longer available. But this 8 by 24 is the perfect size, and I love the steps. And I just love the fact that it's such, you know, it has the gable, the dormer, which makes it so charming when you get a house with that. So here I am walking down the stairs. And again, these next two are the ones that are pushed in. So you don't get to, you don't have to stumble over those. So let me see if I can get it pushed in with one hand. Yep. So then you see how that just takes away all the interruption in the floor plan. So how beautiful. Those steps are genius. Love it, love it, love it. All right, then we've got, let's go back in here and look at our kitchen. Those are the matrix cabinets. Soft close. I love these. I love white cabinets. I think they look so clean. Of course, you can add your own hardware to fit your personality. And here is the microwave place. It's got how convenient to have a plug sitting right there waiting for your microwave, so you don't have any cords hanging around. I love that. There's a lot of things you could do back in here for storage. Under this, I just really love the steps. I think they're genius. Now, the other thing that I love about this is they've taken what I'm gonna call the ugly water heater, and they found a good spot for it, so it doesn't, you know, have to be seen. And as well, your washer dryer will go right there. It would have to be a combo unit, but I'm a big fan of combo units. I had one when I lived here, and they work fantastic. All right, so you definitely would want to stain and or poly your butcher block, because it will, you know, it'll prevent water spots and that kind of thing. You got a cute little kitchen window. How sweet. Of course, a barn door, and that one is tied because they have that done for transporting. And this is where you put your fridge. You could put an apartment size fridge here, or you could put a smaller fridge and put a closet in the top. It just depends on what your needs are. Either way, a lot of this stuff is not gonna show. And all the screens for the window. Let's go into the bathroom. 36, wow, 36-inch shower. Such a good shower size. It really is. It does have an air exchanger. I don't think I pointed that out. Let me step into the shower and show you. So it's 8 foot across for this bathroom. Toilet is a flushing toilet, of course. And a window in there. And an exhaust. I like that. This is all you need for a bathroom. All you need. Okay, so I'm going to stand on the back wall now of the bathroom and look through. So this is 8 by 24, And you see that beautiful window. It really opens the place up, doesn't it? Oh, that just could be just a cute, cute, cute place to decorate. You could make that where you sit on and watch your TV. You could also have a sofa bed down here and sleep down here if you wanted, and use your upstairs for something other than sleeping. If you want to be on the first floor only, maybe have that as your storage, or like I said, a TV room. There's lots of things. I love this model. I think they hit a home run with this model. It's just, it's very livable. The stairs make it very livable for the loft, and the price is really nice. So I'm gonna put the name of, let me just get the paperwork here. So then I'll put it on the screen as well, but the email is gonna go to mail4rmc@gmail.com, and the price is $39,700. This does also come with a mountain lot. He is lot 21 in the original mountain, and he says that they're just about done with his lot, so they're waiting on a few things. So 21, I think, is near the top. He said it's what they call the airstrip. I don't know if you're familiar with that. It's not an actual airstrip, but it's just a space they've identified that looks like an airstrip, I guess, near the top. So this does come with a lot, so you would have a place to put this. Of course, you could always take it and move it to wherever you want to do as well. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Grab this one, it's a great one. Bye.